Hi guys, today I want to talk to you about video summary, one of the tools that we've created, and today I want to show you how to use it without having ChatGPT Plus subscription. So first of all, you need to go to copilot.us website, and here you can see our website. On the top right, you can sign in or sign up. I already have an account, so I'm just gonna input the credentials of mine to access the website. Once we are in, you here can click on the dashboard and you can see all the tools that we've created so far. Every single one of them has two options. You can either go to ChatGPT and have all your chats there, or you can proceed with copilot.us. Here in the top, you can see they're all neatly organized by the topic and how they can be useful for you. Today's video is dedicated to video summary. So we can find it on the top right section, video, and here we have our tool video summary. I want to chat on copilot.us, so I just click the bottom button, and here we already have our chat. So as you can infer from the context, this tool helps you to summarize videos, in our case from YouTube. So what I'm doing, I can just go to YouTube, copy the link from the top of your browser, have a simple prompt of one line, summarize the video, and then the link to the video that we want to summarize. And just in a few seconds, you're going to have a neatly organized piece of information. In our case, of course, the video is not super long. It shows a simple video of 8 minutes. And in case you think that is not as efficient, please imagine that you have 1 or 2 hours of lecture or a huge TED talk, and you have a few of those for your research, for example, whether it's at university or you need to dig into new field at your professional career. And here you can save yourself hours and hours of research, because just in 1 minute we already have a very neatly organized a few paragraphs about the video. Of course, you can ask more precise questions like what topics are covered or what is the take on a particular question that you are interested in. For me, I just wanted to know the summary of the video, because let's imagine that it's a super long video and I just don't have enough time to go through that. And in this case, very neatly organized information, super helpful with one simple prompt. And I think that is going to be useful for a lot of people out there. In case you run into any problems, please feel free to contact our support team, and they will be always there to make your experience as smooth as possible. And I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, guys.